The Umbra Witches and the Lumen Sages, two clans that wielded incredible power just 500 years ago. The clans of the Overseer, watching over us all with the eyes of the world. The power to govern light and darkness.
Did you miss me? Oh, you want to play with Bayonetta?
This Overseer is the one who created the eyes of the world for humanity. The same ones that the clans held on to so hard. The Overseer was the true creator. The true god of the human realm. The god of chaos.
The sacred mountain of Thimbleventer. The joint's supposed to be the link between Inferno and Paradiso. They say there is an entrance to Inferno, the gates of hell, somewhere on this mountain. No one knows where, though.
Huh? You could see me?
Because we're both in Purgatorio.
Purgatorio? You can't open the road to Thimbleventer without my powers. So, what do you say?
Umbra Witch? Or shall I call you Bayonetta?
A Lumen Sage. Cheeky. No one bothered telling me any of your kind survived.
Your impudence will cost you your life, witch!
Jean, I'm on my way. Just behave yourself for a bit longer.